Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Begin by sitting in the driver's seat and opening the door fully. You need clear access to the lower left kick panel. Find the black hood release lever on the lower left kick panel about 6 inches from the door sill and grasp it firmly. Pull the lever firmly toward you until you hear a distinct pop. That pop means the primary latch released. If visibility is poor, use a flashlight or the vehicle's dome light to see the lever clearly so you make a pause. After hearing the primary pop, walk to the front of the Gladiator and stand centered ahead of the grille. Keep the vehicle parked and engine off. Reach under the center of the hood edge and feel for the secondary safety latch. Push the safety latch to the left while lifting the hood about 3 inches to release it. Once released, continue to lift the hood slowly and pause to check for any resistance, and keep your fingers clear of the hood hinge area as you lift the hood fully. With the hood open, locate the prop rod clipped along the engine bay passenger side fender well and unclip it carefully so it does not spring free. Insert the prop rod into the designated hood slot and ensure it seats fully so the hood remains stable. Give a gentle upward pressure to confirm it is secure before you lean under the hood. To close, lift the hood slightly to free the prop rod, stow the rod back to its clip, lower the hood until the latch catches, then press down firmly to secure it before driving.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.